Today playing Pikmin 2. This is the ninth part of me playing Pikmin 2. Last time I've grinded lots of Pikmin. So now I have 100 in the field. And I can technically go for 13 more fields. And I specifically got this glue because I'm in the GameCube round. What's with the sheer amount of Gatling points? Is this a sub-event of some sort? What's with the sheer amount of Gatling points? 4-3, 4-4, 4-4. Wow. How much died to sunset? No. Nothing died to sunset. The Uji Daddy is here. No, not enter the Hole of Heroes. Here's the Uji Daddy. Wow, the spray count I'm thinking of is ranking higher and higher with every attack. And ironically, it knows that I need the ultra bigger sprays. Wow. Oh my goodness! Stop. Okay? I know what to do. So don't give damage. Look at that. 1 becomes 2. 1 becomes 2. Ah, missed. Oh my. We'll do like this. Wow. Ow. Ah. Oh my gosh. Stop! You're ruining the glitch. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Stop. Let me do this. Let me do the duplication glitch. Darn it. Oh, I got stuck. Okay. Wow. Free duplication glitch. So much sprays. It's so good. Ow! Stop it. With a Gatling drink in the way, it's just becoming horrible. Okay? The Gatling drink is just annoying. Okay. Oh, I've decided to just reject it part 8. So this is part 8, I guess. Anyways, we've lost. Oh, we've lost 50. We've lost 50 white Pikmin. Oh well, I can just grind it in the subterranean complex. It's not that bad. It's not really that bad. I almost forgot. Anyways, at least I could spend another 10-day trip to just grind some some Pikmin, white and purple Pikmin numbers. Anyways, bye.